Morning, guys. I'm gonna do this quick video on my Husky Diesel's channel. Let me show you guys. The reason why I'm calling this channel Husky Diesels is because, well, I like Huskies, and I got a Husky looking diesel. There's a 06 Kodiac 5500, and that's my Ram 01 Ram 3500. But what we're doing today, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your locks on your truck. Super easy. I had some scumbag come over here and try to take my tools. He almost got away with it. See, it's all loose already. If you look closely, he jacked it up pretty good. And I got one on the other side over here. That's completely gone. Hello. But yeah, he got away with a couple tools. Could have been worse. So what I'm doing here, I'm getting my new locks and I'm drilling them out because I want to put a 1/4 inch rivet. I don't want to do that little cheesy one. So this is already drilled out. So make sure the hole is nice and good enough for a 1/4 inch. See this hole compared to that one. I don't know, for me it'll be a lot stronger with the 1/4 inch rivet. You can always do a dry fit. Make sure 1/4 inch rivet fits. A little snug, perfect. Cool. So now, let me do a wide view. There you go, that's better. So now we can come over here. It's gonna be kind of hard to do it with one hand. So let me see if I can set you guys up. That looks pretty good. So now what you want to do is the back side of the lock, just drill out the 2 rivets. That's one. You want to kind of wiggle it around because it just snaps it off, that ring right there, so makes it easier. Yeah.
You want an egg sandwich or some last night?
Egg sandwich is good. Yeah. Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
Do you like the hamburger buns or sourdough bread?
Hamburger buns. That's a good woman, guys. I'm telling you that right now. Good woman. I got lucky. So now what you want to do is drill out the existing holes to 1/4 inch so the rivet can go in and grab. be all set. Give you guys a better look. Drilled it out. Now we just got to get the air gun, set it up. Ooh, it's cold out here, guys. California, Riverside, California. 46 degrees right now. I know some of you are saying that ain't cold, but it is cold out here. All right, well, you're used to 60 degrees all year long. Now you got 46. It's cold. Super cold. My allergies are acting up like crazy too. Whew. But what I wanted to show you guys is I'm all about nice tools. Don't get me wrong, right? I got Snap-on, Matco, Mac, but not everything needs to be fancy. I got this Central P-Pneumatic rivet gun from Harbor Freight. I've had it for about a year, maybe a year and a half. It's been working pretty good. So I just thought I'd show you guys that. So now we can get ourselves some 1/4-inch rivets. Let's do that wide view again. Well, yeah, I got my slippers on, guys. No work uniform right now. Pretty simple. Like I said, get your lock, put it the way it's supposed to go. In this case, it goes like this. Okay, this little arm right here pops out, and that's what locks this in place right here. It'll stick out, and it won't let this move upwards. It's so weird when you're looking at everything through a camera. So just put it in like that. I'm gonna set you guys up again. You put the rivet through. Just like that. Oh, there you go. Let's see there. Then you get your rivet gun. Just trying to make sure you guys can see that. Get the rivet gun. Put some air. Make sure you push hard too, because you don't want to have it like sticking out at all. There it is. Grab one of the keys here. So this would be in the lock position right there. Get your key. See how that opens up? See how that opens up? And we won't let it go down. Right there. And that is what keeps your tools safe, gentlemen. Or ladies and gentlemen. But I'll take you guys with me to do the next one. How about that? Let's do a hyperlapse. And that's pretty much it, guys. There's really nothing to it, like I said. You see I replaced my locks, new locks, looking great. And pretty much all I used was my Makita drill bit. Makita drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit, rivet gun, a couple 1/4-inch rivets. You don't have to use 1/4-inch. This is just me. I'm using what I have. I'm really all about using what I have. I acquire a lot of different things just from work, but drill gun, rivet gun, and 1/4-inch rivets, and of course the new locks. You can see, and it works out great. You guys try it out. Keep your stuff safe, man. I know we all work very hard for our tools, and it really sucks. You feel just violated when somebody just takes your stuff. I know you guys felt the pain before. So catch you guys on the next one, man. Thanks for watching.